All right guys, Eddie San Juan here, coming to you with a quick cut. Want to talk a little bit about this huge wine display. So you can see this thing is about 12 to 13 feet tall, and the engineering so that they can actually put as much heavy wine as they want in this thing was pretty intense. So these are all floating between, it's all tenon together, and then each one of these miter joints actually has a spline running all the way through it that's blind, so you can't see it on the face. But that puts a tremendous amount of strength in the joint and holds that miter joint together everywhere so that these boxes are rock solid. More than just for looks, we really try to think about the use and the application and how it's gonna hold up over time. So I think we'll see that this cabinet looks the same when we come back and check it out in 5 years. So really pretty amazing piece, and love to see it here and in place filled with wine, and pretty awesome.